Sift. Sift. Sift the flour before you use it. Pinch. Pinch. Take a pinch of salt and add it to the soup. Break. Break. She breaks an egg into a bowl. Knead. Knead. I knead the dough to make bread. Melt. Melt. The ice cream is melting in the sun. Peel. Peel. Please peel a potato. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out the dough into a circle. Spread. Spread. Spread butter on the bread. Fry. Fry. She fries a fish for dinner. Drain. Drain. I drain the pasta in the sink. Pour. Pour. Pour some water into the cup. Mix. Mix. Mix the flour with eggs. Mash. Mash. She mashes the potatoes. Chop. Chop. I chop the tomatoes. Squeeze. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon? Slice. Slice. Cut a slice of pizza. Grate. Grate. Grate some cheese into a bowl. Sauté. Sauté. Sauté the onions for 2 minutes. Boil. Boil. The water is boiling. Steam. Steam. The kettle is steaming. Grill. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes. Roast. Roast. She roasts the chicken. Blend. Blend. Blend all the ingredients. Bake. Bake. We bake bread in the oven. Add. Add. I add milk to my tea.